Assalamualaikum, colleagues. How are you? Hopefully, you are always in good health, man. This time, I will explain about land transportation technology here in sea. Before we go into the discussion, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anand Firmansyah from STTP Bandung. Okay, let's go to the first discussion. Definition of transportation technology. Transportation technology is a technology that is able to support the movement of people of goods from one place to other by using a vehicle driven by humans or machine. Objective of transportation technology. The purpose of transportation technology is to facilitate the movement of people or goods from one place of to the another according to their destination in a shorter period of time. Advantage and defeat of land transportation. Superiority can be used for short distance transportation needs. Two, the cost is relatively cheap. Three, the service provided is fast. The goods transported the relatively safe, especially the distance radius than 500 kilometers. 5. The number of people loading is relatively small compared to water transportation. 6. Generally arrive direct to the destination. 7. Flexibility in changing routes if there are obstacles on certain routes. 8. Relatively high speed. 7. 9. Suitable for the transport of goods as it allows to transport various sizes of goods. And weakness. Number 1. Transportation costs for short distance are relatively expensive. 2. Maintenance costs are relatively high. 3. The temperature are often delayed. 5. 4. It is possible to be constrained by traffic jam, especially for transportation on the highway to the time expansion is required. Advantage and disadvantage of better transportation. Superiority. 1. Transportation costs are relatively cheap. 2. Allows using any route to reach the destination. 3. The resulting pollution is low. 4. Suitable for large number of people, suitable for long distance travel. And weakness. Number 1, not suitable for goods that are not durable because the travel time is generally long. 2. The cost of construction and maintaining sea transport canals is high. 3. Not suitable for close range. Advantage and disadvantage of air transportation. Superiority. High time advantages because it is able to cover long distance in a short time. 2. Suitable for carrying important items and non-essential items. Durable. 3. Allow free movement. And weakness. Number 1, operational and maintenance costs are relatively expensive. 2. It needs a wide landing platform for vehicle to rest areas that do not have an airport. 5. Risk of being easily disturbed by suspended particles in the air. Technological development transport. The basic principle of the development of transportation technology is an effort to improve the performance of the movement of passengers and goods by referring to the indicator of the type and characteristics of transportation technology, in this case the level of surface and system pressure, as well as the complexity of the problem, which is reflected in the level of limit transport capacity, distance travel on speed of movement, and the convenience in its development. In addition to overcoming these limitations, transportation technology is also required to be developed so that the required transportation costs are lower. For this reason, the development of transportation technology requires the support of several other types of technology, such as electronic, machinery, metal, information, and energy. From this, it is expected that there will be an increase in the performance of transportation technology, which can be seen from the relationship between transportation cost per ton of kilometer and productivity of transportation technology per day. Example of land transportation technology. 1. Train and bus, mollen truck, motorcycle, and car. Example of air transportation technology: helicopter, Indonesian Garuda aircraft, and fighter. 3. Example of water transportation technology: ship and submarine. That's all from me. I'm sorry if there are wrong words or lack of material in the delivery of the material. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.